What's up? Welcome to the video. Today I want to talk to you about how to make 500 euro per day, every day in your life. And it's not about a get rich quick scheme. It's more about changing your overall behavior to align it with your goals. First, I want to talk to you about reinforcing your beneficial behavior patterns to streamline all of your energies towards a desired destination. So that's how you get from where you are right now to what you want to accomplish. And I swear, it's not an easy path, but if you really do this, if you make sure all the good things, all the good habits, all the good behavior that you could apply and implement already into your life, if you stick to that, reinforce them, and really take care about gradually increasing them, nothing can stop you. So this is the first point. Second thing is design your lifestyle like a piece of art. And I know what I'm talking about because traveling around Europe in my most favorite car with all my camera gear, financial freedom, location freedom, it's just what I love, and I feel it's just such a blessing if you... Alright, once again, so it's not just about movement, nutrition, meditation, how you overall structure your day. It's a lot about that, and you should structure your day accordingly so that you achieve your goals and the tasks at hand easily. Do stuff that excites you. Go to a coffee place, meet friends in between, but work super hard. Have movement all over the day, like in the morning and noon, and maybe in the evening for a walk as well. Like eat healthy. Make it like the best movie that you could ever watch. Make your life a piece of art. Bro, that's really what it's all about. Because if you align all of your daily habits and if you design your lifestyle like a piece of art, no matter what you do, you will achieve an immense amount of abundance so quickly. It's incredible. So next thing is exceed your own expectation more than ever. You are your biggest enemy. No one out there can possibly stop you. But you are procrastinating, not doing what you should do every day is stopping you from actually achieving your dreams. So it's time to change that. Like, exceed your own expectations, be better than yesterday, and you'll make like a financial abundance. Next thing I had to learn the hard way. Enhance your breath as a supportive friend. It's about meditation, about breath work, about doing sports and having the right breathing. So there's a ton of content out there how to learn a correct breathing. You should do this. You can basically enhance your creativity and your efficiency by your breath, via your breath. I will do many videos about breathwork in the future. Be sure to subscribe. I'll give you the knowledge, the wisdom that I accumulated over my life thanks to all the teachers that I had across the world. Step 5 today is building meaningful relationships and networks around the place you live and area, the country, the continent that you live on in general. Of course, you can do it alone. But believe me, with the help of friends, with support, by delegating tasks that are not well fitted for your talents, you can increase your efficiency by a lot. Build meaningful relationship with friends, with co-workers, even your boss. Of course, build good relationships with your inner circle, your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, your spouse, your parents, your sibling, all of your greater family. It's so important to have relationships in a vital situation, in a vital state, because it will literally make it so much more easy to believe in yourself. Number 6 today is keep it simple and calm. Work in silence. Let success announce itself by sending shiver through the world. I was talking a lot about my dreams recently in the previous years, and I learned that of course you can communicate what you're going to do. You should share your plans actually with individuals who are like-minded and who you can share your value with. But beware, because not everybody understands your mission. Just keep it simple and calm. Work through a period of months, of years, of focused, silent work, and then publish your work. If it's quality work, it will just become super valuable and famous to people. Your prestige will rise if you work in silence first, and this is literally one of the secrets to success. It's a key step to work in silence until you achieved true value to give to the world. I have a spiritual one for you today as well. Number 7 on the list today is changing the energetic matrix through reprogramming collective consciousness big time. So we're in a time where everybody's waking up from the cultural hypnosis that we're all being stuck to. I think it's a pretty exciting time to be alive nowadays, because the opportunities that we have to access knowledge on our fingertips, absorb sacred wisdom which was given since hundreds and thousands of years from one generation to another, and this essence of the most effective methods, you can just use them to change your own life and therefore help society become a better place so that the world can heal itself. We're here to do that. Number 8 today, and we're almost there, is humble awareness of your blessings, all the precious gifts. Gratitude is really important. If you appreciate what you already have, you will send out a vibration of abundance that will reflect back to you. So if you're grateful for what you already have, for all the tools, all the relationships, your health, the people in your lives that are healthy as well, all of the experiences that you could witness till this moment, if you really appreciate all of this, your vibration will be in a state of even multiplying it. So just focus on what you already have. Be grateful, but don't forget your hunger. Stay ambitious, my friends. Number 9 today is pure intentions. To manifest your dream life, you got to have pure intentions and stick to them. If you want to manifest a car, a relationship with your dream girl, wife, a job, promotion, anything in your life, may it be material, spiritual, emotional, to manifest this, your intention has to be pure. And then by giving this pure intention into the fertile ground of the energetic matrix, you can literally create whatever you want in your life. Last but not least today, final point on my list, number 10. There's holy information out there. Already some individuals are channeling the truth in an attractive way. What I want to say is spirit over matter, access Atlantic wisdom, woke work. If you provide value to the world, you will be provided with value and reward. There's a return on invest. Give value, may it be in entertainment or in education or in production, any kind of service that you give to humanity. If you increase the quality of your service or product step by step over the time, the reward, the return on investment that you get will increase big time. So that's it for today, my friends. I hope you could take away some value. I hope you understand how all of these things can help you to lead a better life, have an abundant life where you attract all the money that you need. To manifest financial abundance, you literally have to first get your spirit, your emotions right, your body, your life, and then it will automatically drop in your life if you do the hard work and patiently keep gradually improving your life first. Everything else will follow. The mansion, the car, the relationships, everything will follow if you really focus on these points. Let's just make this world a better place. We are all one. Peace.